Is there a standoff brewing in your home? Can't agree on a traditional coffee maker versus a single-serve? Steer clear of a showdown with the Cuisinart Coffee Center and have the best of both worlds, all with one appliance. The single-serve brewer uses our home barista reusable filter cup or any variety K-Cup with 3 cup sizes and instant heat up. The programmable 12-cup brewer lets you enjoy premium features like adjustable brew strength, auto on and off, and brew pause. The Cuisinart Coffee Center. When it comes to coffee makers, you can have it all.
The KClassic brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The KClassic brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the KClassic brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite KCup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew. The KSelect brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer combines a sleek design with our most popular features. Kick up your coffee strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the KSelect brewer. Select from 4 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. Quiet Brew technology minimizes noise when in use. The removable reservoir holds 52 ounces, which means you can brew 5 cups with just 1 fill. The KSelect brewer is made with fingerprint-resistant materials, and the drip tray is top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. The programmable auto-off turns the brewer off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. Using your KSelect brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Scoop single-serving coffee maker. If you're a coffee lover who spends a lot of time on the go, then making more than 1 cup at a time usually means you're wasting good coffee. And that is why the Scoop coffee maker is the single-serve coffee maker you need. Just scoop your favorite ground coffee with the special scoop filter, place in coffee maker, add water, and brew. Make only as much coffee as you want. It brews up to 14 ounces into a travel cup or coffee mug. It brews hot, fast, and has customizable brewing to provide a better tasting cup of coffee. Just choose regular or bold. So save money, save coffee, and enjoy life more with the Scoop. Now that's good thinking.
The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, fast, amazing.
Introducing the 2-in-1 hybrid coffee brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Sboly. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Sboly. Now available with a vacuum-insulated coffee tumbler featuring portable hand and openable cap. Sboly. Easy brew, easy life.